Welcome to another mspaint tutorial video. This video is about how to draw cartoon animals.
Oh, okay, so I heard that you wanted to learn how to draw some cartoons. At least that's what people are saying. So we'll start off with a bird. So this is just like your typical I don't know, like sea-dwelling bird. I'll put it's like in water. Yeah, this is definitely a sea-dwelling bird. It could almost be a seagull. Boom. Alright, what else did you want to know? Oh, you wanted to learn how to draw a horse? Oh, okay. I can do that too. This is one of the easier animals to draw. If you've ever tried to draw a horse, you probably know that. It's really easy. So this is its mane. Oh, that's kind of a beautiful mane. Okay, now this is the easiest part of the horse to draw. The legs. And if you don't get these right, it won't really look realistic. So notice I've done this before. Its tail. Oh, let's put a saddle on that horse. Let's get that horse ready for riding. So I'm not exactly sure how the saddles work, but something's got to go up and connect to here, because you gotta have it's like, you don't want your horse biting anybody, so you gotta have that go to its face. Oh yeah, horse shoes. Okay. And you get the basic idea. You can do this at home. Okay, so maybe you wanted to draw like a lion. It's another really easy animal. I'm just gonna start off with a big shape like that. Cute little ears coming out. Cute eyes. Big goofy smile. Okay, and this is not a very scary lion, even though like normally lions I think are probably pretty scary. But he's kind of an odd one. But trust me, he's got a great personality. Yeah, he's a nice guy. He's a good lion. Oh, I should actually show you how to color in a lion, because that's pretty important. So you make that the same color, the body, and the face, and then you take like an orangish color, and you put it for the mane. Maybe we do oops. Yeah, okay, that looks good. And then the ears. Oh yeah, and the eyes. Okay, so maybe you wanted to draw a snake. Snake's one of the easiest animals to draw. You get the idea. And snakes are usually green, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. And this is what makes snakes so scary, is that they blend in right into the grass. Maybe you're wanting to draw like a shark too. And so this one's actually a really simple one, as long as you do it from a profile shot. They've got all these fins that you would never suspect. Okay. Whoa, that turned out actually to be a pretty amazing shark, if I don't say so myself. I've only just forgot one little fin here. Yeah. Alright, gills. Whoops. Oh, face right here. Okay. Now that looks pretty good, and this will be a gray shark in blue water. Oh my gosh, okay, that should turn out really good.
Oh my gosh, you guys, thanks so much for watching the video. I really do hope you learned something today. I enjoyed making the video, I enjoyed teaching, and I hope you enjoy learning as much as I enjoy teaching, because if so, we're really enjoying ourselves here, guys.